Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate HubSpot sales for LinkedIn outreach sequences, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard. Locate the settings option in the upper right corner. Click on integrations from the left sidebar. Find the connected apps section. Search for LinkedIn Sales Navigator in the app marketplace. Click on the LinkedIn Sales Navigator app. Select the Connect App button. You will be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. Authorize the HubSpot app to access your LinkedIn account. You may need to adjust privacy settings to grant full access. After connection, verify that your LinkedIn account is listed as connected in HubSpot. Return to the sales dashboard. Select sequences from the menu options. Create a new outreach sequence or edit an existing one. In the sequence setup, integrate LinkedIn outreach steps. Customize your message templates as needed. Ensure that the sequence includes follow-up tasks for LinkedIn messages. Test the integration by initiating a sample sequence. Monitor the progress and engagement through HubSpot Analytics. Confirm that all LinkedIn outreach actions are logged in your HubSpot account. Adjust any settings as necessary for optimal performance. Save your changes and exit the sequence setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.